I'm here to show you how to make really easy bunny napkins for your holiday table. So I take a cloth napkin, fold it in half, starting from the pointed end. So we have a triangle. I'm going to roll it toward me. Roll, 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 all the way to the end. And once you hit the end, you're going to fold it in half and then fold it in half again. And you see this is where the ears are, and then I just put a rubber band around it. When my kids were little, I used to make these out of face cloths, and they were boo-boo bunnies. Whenever one of the kids got hurt, I would put ice cube in it and they would hold it on their boo-boo. So now they are napkin bunnies. So you can tie a ribbon on it and then just take your Easter egg, an oversized one if you're using the big cloth napkins, and use those, and this is what it looks like on the table. So isn't that cute? And you can also do it with paper napkins, and you can do it with ribbon or elastic, and you're basically doing the same thing. You're just folding it into a triangle. It's got to be a square napkin. Fold it into a triangle and then just roll it towards you, fold it in half again, open up the ears, put something on to secure the little head there, and then put one of the Easter eggs in the back. And that's how you make easy Easter bunny napkins for your table. Thank you.